Ayun, sabi ko, see, you are so blessed with children and grandchildren like this. Kasi tingnan mo ngayon na matanda ka na ganito. Well, kasi it really does speak on his character as a father. Kaya kahit ang tanda niya na, kaming lahat, will drop anything and everything to be here with him. Yeah, he was happy to hear that. So he's okay. Tatay Digong is okay. You know, I was worried, of course, but he looked okay. Hindi siya mukhang stressed. Parati siyang tulog, and ayun, kumakain naman as what I've heard from the visitors.
Namimiss niya masahin itong tulog.
Yes, ayun nga, sabi ko, sorry ha, hindi ako naka-crash course, hindi ako ganun kagaling. Pero sige lang, maybe before I leave, magmamasahe ako sa kanya. And so to make up for it, I just sang him a song before I left. And ayun,